Okay, it says we're live, but let's give it a few seconds. So what do you have here, Robert?
So this is an inverter board out of a CCFL inverter. Basically, we have 2 NPN driving transistors. We have a bistable multi-vibrator circuit here using the 2 transistors, 4 capacitors, 2 resistors, and this inverter transformer. Coupled by this capacitor to the output, and our high voltage output wire going to a standard xenon flash tube, which is this right here. So as we apply power to this inverter through the one single wire, our xenon tube will start to glow. And it acts exactly like it does of the eye of the storm. So if Mr. Joseph will go ahead and take his finger, and as you can see, it's following the path of his finger just like it does on an eye of the storm. I think it's liking my skin. Let me try to
Oh, that's
put
what it
this
is.
in the air.
Yeah.
There we go.
And let me turn
So
it.
here we go.
Okay.
Putting it in the air, and
That's what it was.
yeah, see, so there we go. See, it's following the path of his finger just like the eye of the storm. So there we have it, folks. If you're interested in a diagram, you can contact me at Roberts, that's ROBERTS, computerhospital@yahoo.com, and I can supply you with parts and a diagram for a very small fee.
And Robert, can you just show that? Okay, so can you explain the grounding part? Because you said right now it's. Did you say it's grounded to the battery right now when you were running it?
Right now that was floating through the air ground. Using the single wire, we can take the ground of the output of the inverting transformer and apply it to the cathode lead of the xenon tube. Okay, and then when we apply the battery, it just basically glows, and you still have an eye of the storm effect slightly when you touch it, just not as eye of the stormy effective, but oh yeah, see, there we go. I saw quite a bit of a glow if you gave it enough fingers. But yeah, basically we have a glow of the xenon tube through this high voltage.
And that was by moving the ground over.
By attaching the ground to the other end of the xenon tube.
Okay. And then where would the ground be when you said it would shock you?
Well, I'm touching the battery, so if I touch any of that high voltage, then
it'll shock you.
It's gonna burn a hole in my finger.
Okay. Okay.
Which will make me smell like burnt chicken.
All right, Robert.
And I'll have a burning sensation on my fingertip.
Okay, thank you for sharing that.
Alrighty, no problem.
Okay, and you made that circuit yourself?
Yes, I have.
Okay. All right, bye.
Ciao.